So Himoinsa has been in Southern Africa for the past 4 or 5 years, recently launched in 2016, but they've been part of the Southern Africa market for over 16 years now, part of a global company that's been running for 38 plus years. Himoinsa is the 4th largest OEM generator manufacturer in the world, and we currently push out approximately 38,000 sets out of our multiple 8 different manufacturing facilities located across the world. The main manufacturing facility for the Southern Africa market would be coming out of Spain, coming into our bonded facility in Port Elizabeth, and then distributed to the regional offices from there. Okay, so I'm Warwick, Senior Sales Engineer at Himoinsa Southern Africa, focusing on the natural gas sectors, very much so with Egoli Gas and other sectors wise.
I'm Daniel LaRue, I'm the Operations Manager for Himoinsa Southern Africa, looking after the Joburg side of operations side. I mean, these are extremely quiet. You don't have that engine noise basically that you get from a diesel engine. Where the gas engine, it's super quiet. It's, you literally need to listen properly to hear the thing running.
Yeah, I mean, we got some activity in the local residential market. We currently got, if I'm not mistaken, 360s and a couple of smaller sets running on the Egoli Gas pipeline. That's for a smaller residential side, but on a bigger power plant base, we're seeing a lot of activity in the 20 to 40 megawatt.
Compared to the local market, we local generators and some other big generator manufacturers, service intervals on their generators are 250 hours, where we are 5 hours. And as a matter of fact, with our service and our oil sampling that we do on our units, we can sometimes stretch the service interval 550 close to 600 hours, depending on the oil sample report that we get. And also it must be site specific, depending on the site. Nice clean area. That's the remote monitoring system that you can put the app on your phone or on your PC, and you can access your generator from anywhere that you want or can. So I'm just going to, for example, I'm going to show you this one. It's marked Gen 1. This is one of our units currently running in Tanzania.
Yeah. And on that point of storage wise, it then reduces your required footprint, so you don't have that bulk full storage. You've got a pipeline, a 2-inch, 4-inch, whatever pipeline it is that you require, runs directly to your unit, so you don't need that sort of bulk storage facility. And then also to manage, you can manage it easier because you don't have to manage a metering system. I mean, that would be metered by the local pipeline authority or whoever's running that pipeline. You don't have that theft in place, so I mean the savings that you have on theft would be substantial.
There's no local canopies that's rounded on top. We're the only manufacturer to go rounded canopies on top.
And it's the small things, but it's the small things at the end of the day.